All right, what's going on, everybody? So if you are new to the fitness game, trying to jump back into it, or you just want a simple, easy workout, we're doing a single dumbbell workout today. We're gonna start off with a quick warm up, jumping jacks to start out. We got 20. Let's get it. All right, butt kicks. Butt kicks, we got 20. Well, we're gonna do 20 seconds. You can't really start to count butt kicks, but we're gonna do about 20 seconds. About 10 more seconds now. All right, arm circles, 20 seconds. Hope y'all are feeling good, man. I appreciate y'all jumping into the workout, starting your fitness journey, jumping back into your fitness journey, and just working out in general and choosing that healthy lifestyle. A couple more seconds on these arm circles. Just a quick breather. Like I said, guys, this is gonna be perfect for beginners. All you need is one dumbbell. I'll be using between 25 and 35 pounds. But definitely use something that's comfortable for you. That's not gonna break you. That's not gonna make you feel exhausted too early. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty easy workout. Something nice and chill. All right, we got high front kicks. We got 10, 5 on each side, just like this. Let's go. All right, overhead reach, just like this, guys. We got 10. All right, good stuff, guys. Go ahead and get your dumbbell ready. Like I said, it's gonna be a very quick workout. Let me lift the camera up a little bit, just so you can see the movements. All right, so first thing we got, single dumbbell, 2 sets of 10 bicep curls. So gripping that dumbbell by the side, straight up, straight back down, just like this. We got 2 sets of 10, 2 sets of 10. All right, let's get it. Good stuff, guys. One more set. I'm gonna try to target as many muscle groups as possible. This is a perfect workout if you just want something like I said, something easy, something that's light, that's not gonna break you. This is the workout for you. Or if you press for time in the morning, it's an early morning for you, want to get some strength training in, this workout right here. All right, a couple more seconds. We're getting this our second set of 10 bicep curls. All right, let's get it. Good stuff, guys. Next thing we got, we're gonna do single arm sumo squats. So wider stance with your squat. Hold the dumbbell just down here, straight up, straight back down. We're gonna do 5 on each side, 5 on each side. Switching halfway through. Just switching halfway through. So we're gonna do 10 total for the set, but 5 on each arm. Couldn't talk for a second. Couple more seconds to rest, guys. All right, let's go and get our dumbbell ready. Single arm, get the arm out for balance. Wider stance, let's get it. We got 10, 5 on each side. All right, let's switch. 5 more. Good stuff. One more set, guys. Same thing, one more set. All right, a couple more seconds. Getting right into this last set. All right, let's get it. 5 on each side. Reach arm, let's go. All right, let's switch arms. Good stuff, guys. Hopefully you're feeling good. Hope you're not working yourself too hard, especially if you're somebody that's jumping back into the fitness game. Like I say, you gotta try to take it easy, and definitely trying to make this an effective workout for you. Definitely don't want to scare you away. If this is your first time working out with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got hundreds of workouts on here for you to choose from. I got a whole playlist dedicated to beginners down below. Check that out if this wasn't enough for you, and check out some of these other workouts as well. Got something for all levels. So jump in, tap in, get your workout on. All right, so next thing we got a squat to bicep curl. So what this is, squatting down, curling that weight up. Squat down, curl that weight up. We got 8, set of 8. And as always, guys, you can modify these numbers if you want to. If you need to do more, you can do more. Just pause the video. Or if you need to do less, that's okay too. Make it work for you guys. Counting on the bicep curl. So it's 8 squats, 8 bicep curls in total. All right, let's get it. We got 8. Good stuff, everybody. Quick wrist break. Then we're getting into the same thing. Sumo squat to bicep curl. Take some time to get some water if you need to. And take some time to comment on the video. Let me know how you felt about it. Let me know or how you're feeling about it so far. And let me know some workouts you'd like to see. Appreciate y'all jumping in as always. All right, guys, a couple more seconds, and then we're getting into the next set. Bicep or squat to bicep curl. All right, let's get it. Good stuff, good stuff. Got a little bit of sweat breaking out. I do this a lot. I do this all the time. Guys, one thing, if you are doing a beginner workout, your body does not know the difference at all. It just knows resistance. So don't feel weird about doing a beginner workout if you are somebody that's been in the gym for years. Like I said, I work out daily, multiple times a day, and I still got a little sweat breaking out. So your body is definitely getting something in. And definitely feeling the effects of the workout. It's all resistance here to your body. Your body's not like they clicked on a beginner workout video. Let's not grow. Let's not give them an effective workout or a burn. It ain't like that. Everybody needs something light every now and again. Even with me, I do low impact workouts every now and again. Don't think nothing of it. Definitely healthy for you. All right. Next thing we got. Let's use this one. So single dumbbell again, shoulder press, grab the dumbbell by the side, straight up, straight back down, just like that, guys. We're gonna do 2 sets of 8 of these, and then we're gonna move on. All right, let's go. Good stuff. One more set. One more set. One more set. right, we're gonna get that dumbbell ready. A couple more seconds. All right, let's get it. We got 8. Regular shoulder press. Great job, everybody. Almost there, guys. Almost there, almost there. Next thing we got, we're gonna do 2 knee raises, 1 shoulder press. So it's gonna look like this, kind of what we're just doing. Knee raise, shoulder press. Knee raise, shoulder press. We're gonna count on each shoulder press. We're gonna go up to 6 this time. Up to 6 this time. Count on each shoulder press. All right, want to get your dumbbell ready. Knee raise, shoulder press. Let's go. Good stuff. One more set. One more set. One more set. All right, let's get our dumbbell. Knee raise, shoulder press. All right, let's go. Got 6. Good stuff, guys. Almost there. Let's see. We've only been working out for approximately 10 minutes or so. We got a couple more exercises and then we are done. Quick and easy, out of the way. Perfect way to start your journey, guys, for sure. Single dumbbell. All right, guys. So next thing we got, we're gonna do a forward lunge, or just regular forward lunges for now. Regular forward lunges for now. So with this one, we're gonna do 10. We got 2 sets of 10. Holding that dumbbell just at your chest length or shoulder length, whatever you want to call it. Just like this, guys. Let's go. We got 10. Good stuff. All right, one more set of 10. One more set of 10. All right, let's go. Last set of 10. Almost there, guys. You stay with me. Forward lunges. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. So we got one more exercise of this, and then we are done, guys. So what we got next, side bends. So just like this, guys. We got 10 on each side, 10 on each side, 2 sets, and then we are done. Just holding that dumbbell by the side. Try not to let it touch your knee. Straight down, straight back up. 10 on both sides. These are gonna feel good. You never done this before? It's gonna hurt really good in the morning. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right, let's get it. We got 10 each side. Switch sides. Good stuff. All right, one more set, guys. One more set, and then we're done. Let me know how y'all feeling, guys. Like I said, we got one more set, then we're done. Hopefully this is an effective start to your fitness journey, and definitely start back to your fitness journey if you are starting back. Hope you enjoy the workout. And if you're someone that already works out regularly, just wanted something quick, hopefully it was effective for you, and hopefully you can continue on the journey. Hit that subscribe button and everything. Work out with me some more. I definitely appreciate y'all. All right, last set. Let's go. Side bends, 10 on each side. All right, let's go to the other side. All right, guys, just like that, we are done. Like I said a second ago, definitely appreciate y'all. I can't even talk. Definitely appreciate you guys for hanging with me for a little while. I hope this was an effective workout for you. If you are a beginner or if you're just not getting back into the fitness game, definitely appreciate you. Let me know how you're feeling after this workout. Let me know some workouts you'd like to see. And again, guys, if you are a beginner, down below in the description there's a whole playlist dedicated to beginner workouts. And if you are a beginner and you're like, hey, I can do this, check out the other playlist. There's another playlist called Follow Along Workouts. You'll find something there that will fit your needs. I promise you. Definitely appreciate y'all once again. Catch y'all in the next one.